All right. Can you give me your answers from number one?
Number one, I got 9.
Okay, number one is 9. Okay, 9. Number two.
6.
Okay, 6. So here is asking for the range. The range is 13 minus 4. 9 is correct, 1 mark. And then the mode is the most frequent number. So 6 appeared 2 times here. Therefore, 6 is the mode. That is a 1 mark. Let's go to question number 2. What is your answer?
D.
B.
D.
Okay, D. Okay. Okay, D is actually not correct. The correct answer is C. You know why? Because D can be correct if they just want it to be 2 lines of symmetry. But that does not stop there. They say it must make angle 90 at the middle. So, not only that, it must be a diagonal. Can you see it now? Intersecting at angle 90 in the middle. So, if you draw this one now, it is a diagonal. And if you draw this one, it is a diagonal. So therefore, it makes angle 90 here. That is why C is correct. But here now, if you draw, let me remove the D. If you draw uh, here, this is a line of symmetry, is correct. If you draw here, it is also a
Mm.
line of symmetry, it is correct. And it also make angle 90 at intersecting point, it is correct. But what is wrong is that the lines are not moving as diagonal. See the diagonal of the rectangle. Can you see it now?
Mm-hmm.
So that is why D is not correct. Okay.
Okay.
So diagonals are drawn at C, and the two of them intersected at the middle, making angle 90. So that is it. I hope the explanation is okay.
Yeah.
Number 3. What
27.
27 is correct with 1 mark. That is a cubic number. Okay. Next question is number 4.
I got 156.25.
£156 25. Mark it correct. 3 marks. It is correct because if you subtract these two, hold on, a quick uh, a quick check on it, but it's correct. So if you do 7,500, okay, minus the deposit, which is 1,875. So what will be left is 5,625. So because it's a calculator question, you divide by 36 because you are paying the instrumental payment in 36 equal months. Therefore, you divide by 36. That will give us exactly what you got, which is going to be 156.25. All right, so that is 3 marks. We move to question number 5. What answer did you get?
1/8.
1 over 8. Can you explain how you got to 1 over 8?
So there are 120 men and 80 women, and altogether one quarter of people said yes, and one third of men said yes. So from that, since one quarter of people said yes, that means 50 people said yes,
50 people said
and they
yes
said
is
that
correct. Uh-huh.
one third of men said yes. So that means 40 men said yes.
One third,
So since
okay,
50
40
people
men.
said
That is one
yes,
third of 120, right?
yeah,
Okay, 40 men. All right.
40 men said yes, and since one third of yeah, and since 50 people said yes,
Yes,
that means
50.
there's only 10 more possibilities of people saying yes, and that's the women, and there were 80 women. So 10
Yes,
over 8 is 1/8.
10 over 80 is 1 over 8. That is a very correct analysis. So it comes with the 4 marks, as you can see from the question paper. So that is
Mm.
correct. Every step is correct. You have to sum up the whole people in that place. They were 200, and the 1/4 of the people said yes, that is 50. While 1/3 of the men said yes, that is 40. You subtract the men from the total people, number of people, that will give you 10, and that 10 is the number of women that said yes. Then that is out of the 18 women.
80 women.
You reduce it to the lowest term. So number 6, what do you have to say?
I got box D.
You got what?
Box
Box
D.
box B. This one.
D.
Okay,
D.
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 Okay, D. All right. And the question say, which box gives the greatest chance of picking three? Picking three in A, the
Is one
chances
over
is
six.
1 over 6. Picking three here is 1 over 3.
Yeah,
Picking
3.
three here is 2 over 5.
2 over
And
5.
picking three here is 2 over 4, which is 1
Over
over.
4.
And 1 over 2 is greater than all these numbers.
And all
So,
those ones. Yeah.
yes, 2 marks is correct. 2 marks is correct. And the B part says, which two boxes give the same chance of picking one? Okay,
Is box A and B.
box A and B. Okay, let's check the chances of picking one in A and B. So picking one in A and B is these two, which is a 1 or sorry 2 over 6 reduced to 1 over 3. And picking one here is only this, which is 1 over 3. So that is correct. A and B will give you probability of 1 over 3. That is the chances they have. So that is a 1 mark for that question number B. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, 1 mark. All right. We go to the next one. That is a number 7A. It said work out the profit for week one.
His profit in return was 152.50.
Okay. What did he say?
152.50.
152.50. That is a 152 pounds 50. Okay, let's
Yeah.
verify. In week one, it is stopped at this place, and that place is exactly 240, isn't it? So
Mm.
therefore, uh, you subtract 240 minus 87. Oh, you are correct. So 152.50.
Yeah.
Okay, you are correct. It comes with 2 marks. 2 marks.
Yeah.
Then what about 7B, where they said, uh,
Mm.
okay, half the money for week four is week four, is what they got in week four. That is, half of week one is week four. Therefore, the
Mm.
profit also will be half. Is it correct?
His, no, because his week 4 profit was £32 50, and that's less than half of week 1.
Okay, yes, because week one is 152.50 divided by
Yeah.
2, isn't it? So the
Yeah.
result will be higher, will be greater than
Yeah.
32 pounds 50. Okay, so the profit of week four is 32 pounds 50. Let's see exactly what week four is. Week four is 2 lines above 100. That is 120, which is exactly half of 240 earlier. But now, if you subtract 87, yeah, you are correct. If you subtract
Yeah.
87, it will now remain 32 pounds 50. All right, which is not even up to half of 152. So you are correct
Yeah.
in that 7B, meaning that you
Yeah.
got the 2 marks here. Okay. Then we move to question number 8. What is the value?
17.
17. Let's find out 5x plus 9y. When x is 7, we have 5 times 7 and then plus 9 times negative 2. So that is 35 subtract by 18 equal to 17. Give it 2 marks. It's correct. So number 9. What did you get as the coordinate of the two other corners?
I got I got -2 and -3
Okay.
and 5 and 3.
5 and 3. Okay, let's find out. The given corners is a diagonal. Okay. So now -1 comma 0 is here. Again, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 4 is here. So this is the diagonal they are talking about, isn't it? So
Mm.
to complete that place, oh, I see, I see. So if it must be a square, where do you think the values will be, and you say
Oh no,
minus
sorry,
2.
I meant minus 2, 3.
Okay, minus 2 plus 3.
Wait, no, 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 wait. Sorry, is minus 3 minus 2.
Minus 3 minus 2.
Yeah.
Okay, you are
And
minus
then the
3.
second one is okay.
See, you are minus 3 minus 2 here.
Wait, no, 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 sorry, sorry, wait.
Okay.
Sorry, 3 minus 2, sorry.
Minus 2. Uh-huh. And
No,
what?
3 minus 2.
3. If you have positive 3 comma minus 2, positive 3 for x, that is here, and the minus 2 is here. Okay, that is this point, right?
Mm,
Then what
yeah.
is the second one?
5, 3.
5, 3. 5 is here, 3 is here. Okay, can that make a square for us? If you draw this one here, and then draw this one here, can't you see? You can see that this side is bigger. Can't you see it is bigger?
Mm, yeah.
So it means something has to come down there for it to rhyme excellently, for it to form
Yeah, it should be 5, 2.
5, 2. 5, 2. That is, this is 2 here, right?
Mm,
That is, if you trace down to this place, then, and then you trace down to this place. Yes, that is when you get it right. Okay, so
mm.
I'm going to give you, are you there?
Yeah,
Uh, okay, I'll give you 1 mark here. It has 2 marks. I'll give you 1.
okay.
Yeah. So we move forward. We move forward to the next question. Okay, this one is already in the classroom as assignment. I have put it already
Mm,
there for you. Yeah. So you are going to do it using graph book.
okay.
All right. So number 11, what did you get?
303.
303 is correct. Okay.
Mm.
But do you have explanation how you got the 303?
Yeah, because I worked out the nth term as 3n plus 3, and 100 times 3 plus 3 is 303.
That is correct. That is correct. So that is the nth term. Then
Yeah.
the next one is number 11. What do you think we enter inside the box?
5, sorry, 1 times 1
Times 1 plus what?
plus 5.
It should be 2, 3. Okay?
Oh,
Should be times 2 plus 3. That is what it should be. Okay?
okay.
Yeah. So next one is number 12. What do you have as your result?
2/7.
Did you say 4 over 7?
2/7.
2 over 7 is the correct fraction because if you plus 1 and the 2.5, you are going to get 3.5. And 3.5 is the same thing as 7 over 2. So where you now do the red is has ratio 1 divided by 7 over 2. That is 1 multiplied by 2 over 7 equals to 2 over 7. So give it 2 marks. What about number 12b?
420,000.
Yes, 420,000 will be correct if you use this 7 over 2 on it. So that is correct. 2 marks. Then, uh, okay, let's sum it up here. Let's sum these ones up.
Mhm.
We will evaluate the remaining ones in the next lesson.
And how many marks is this one?
This last one, it is allocated with 2 marks.
Okay.
So you missed one mark 3 times. So you can add up
Mm-hmm.
like Yes, like in
1,
the
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 27 over 30.
27 over 30. So take note of where we stopped. We stopped at number 12, so we will continue from there in the next lesson. So that will be how many percent?
97.
27 by 30 is 90.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. Good night to you.
Yeah, give me.
Bye.